Hi everyone, my name is Praise Henry and I'm an alumna of Exquisite Tutorials. Having recorded a 90% success in the 2023 UTME, Exquisite Tutorials is here again to take you on a ride for you to get that desired score. My journey with Exquisite Tutorials started in 2023 when I enrolled for their UTME classes, and by the grace of God, I was able to grab a very good UTME score. And presently, I have gained provisional admission into Abia State University to study pharmacy, my desired course. Exquisite tutorials made learning fun, easy, exciting, interactive, enlightening all at the same time. How? Due to the unique blend of quality teaching from a team of brilliant and experienced tutors. So, I used to searching for a legit online academic platform where you'd make your dreams come true and get that desired UTME score. Search no more because Exquisite Tutorials got you covered. You can follow them on Facebook at Exquisite Tutorials or subscribe to their YouTube channel at Exquisite Tutorials. Bye.